In this video, I will show you how to do add yours in Instagram story. So in order to do that, we need to head over and click on this your story right here by clicking on the plus icon from there. Now you should be able to add in here some photos or background that you would want to use. For example, for me, I'll head over and then use this particular photo right here. Now I have this photo. Next thing you need to do is to click on this sticker icon or this smiley face icon that you can see right here. Once you have clicked on that, you can see this add yours template. So for example, head over and click on that, and then it will pin the picture that you have, or it will only pin this particular thing. So for example, pin this, or you can also pin this actual picture that you have in here as well. So you can pin some text. So you can head over and then add in here some text. So for example, coffee. Then once it's been added, you can fix this to create the template. So once you had head over and done that, just try to click on this arrow button right here in order to successfully post this particular template that you have made on your AdWords. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like below, subscribe, because helps me reach more people. See you soon.